the main strategy of balancing chemical equation algebraically is as follows. First thing, what we have to do, we have to write down a letter coefficient. Letter coefficient is A, B, C, D, likewise this. Not a numeric coefficient like 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise this. We use letter coefficients in the front of each compound in the equation. Whatever the compound is there, whether it is a H2O or CuSO4, whatever the chemical compound is there, in front of that or behind that we have to write down a letter coefficient at the time of balancing chemical equation through algebraic method. Now, in second step, we have to write down algebraic equation or rules for each element that equate its atom on the LHS side and RHS side. After writing the letter coefficient, we have to match the atoms of each element on LHS side and RHS side. We have to count that how many times any element comes in any chemical equation, that we have to represent in form of letter. Now, third thing is that substitute and simplify to obtain a rule that equates only two letter coefficient that you can solve. Means in the starting you have to find out as much as possible the value of these letter coefficient through algebraic equation. Fourth thing is that substitute the value into the other rules to obtain balancing coefficient. Value, after getting the value of two or more coefficient, we have to put in other rules, in other equation to get the value of numeric value of remaining letter coefficient, which help in the balancing of chemical equation. Now, let's just understand through example. It completely makes no sense if we will not understand the above algebraic equation method through example. So, let's just see example. Here, one unbalanced chemical reaction is written. That is KMnO4, HCl, MnCl2, KCl, Cl2 and H2. Means when KMnO4 react with hydrochloric acid, which is present on reactant side, after the chemical reaction, product which we obtain, that is MnCl2, KCl, Cl and H2O. Total 4 products we obtain after the chemical reaction. So this reaction is unbalanced chemical reaction. So first what we have to do, we have to put letter coefficient just front of each chemical compound, just like this. So along with KMnO4 we kept a small a here. Along with hydrochloric acid we kept B in front of hydrochloric acid. After the reaction it will continue. Along with MnCl2 we put C in front of MnCl2. We kept D along with KCl and we kept as a letter coefficient along with Cl2, and similarly F for along with H2O. As much the product is there or coefficient is there, we will follow the sequence of putting letter coefficient. So here total A, B, C, D, E, F. In continuation, all letter coefficients are put along with a chemical compound. Now, let's just see, we just at the time of balancing any chemical equation, we follow conservation of mass. Means mass of reactant is always equal to the mass of product. So what we have to do, we just see this above reaction, and in this reaction we will start with K because K is written here. So we will see in that particular reaction how many times K is present and along with which coefficient it is present. So we will write here K, and on reactant side along with K, A is there, and on product side along with K, D is there. So what we do, we just make A equal to D. All of you are observing here K is single atom and here also K is single atom. So this A get multiplied by K and this D get multiplied by K. So it becomes K equals to A equal to D. Now let's just start with Mn. Again this A get multiplied by Mn. Single atom of Mn is there. So single A will be written on reactant side. Another Mn is written on product side along with C. So this C get multiplied by Mn. So we can say that Mn A equals to C. Means A get multiplied by Mn. So it become A, and similarly Mn get multiplied by C. So here becomes C. So A equal to C. In case of K, A is equals to D. Now let's just see oxygen. Here oxygen atom is 4 because 4 is subscripted. So this 4 get multiplied by 8. So the total number of oxygen become on reactant side is 4A, which is equal to the total number of oxygen present on product side is 1. So 1 get multiplied by F, so it becomes F. So 4A become equal to F. After that we will see hydrogen. Here single atom of hydrogen is present, it get multiplied by B, which is equal to, here 2 atom of hydrogen is written on product side, this 2 get multiplied by F. So reactant of B become equal to 2F, which is written here. Now in case of C, in above reaction C is present on 4 places, 1 on reactant side and 3 places on product side. So let's just start with reactant side. Single atom of chlorine is written, so we will write here D. And on product side 2 atom of chlorine is present, so this 2 get multiplied by C and we will put C. Now again Cl is present, single atom of Cl is present, so here single atom of Cl get multiplied by D, so we put plus sign along with D. Now in case of third chlorine atom, 2 atom of chlorine is present and it just get multiplied by E and you will get 2E. Why we are putting 2C, D and 2E? Here 2 represent the total number of atoms present on the reactant side. See, in product side 3 times Cl is present. In along with C, 2 atom of Cl is present, which is written on here. Along with D, single atom of Cl is present, that's why we put here D. And along with E, 2 atom of Cl is present, that's why we put here 2E. On reactant side, Cl is present along with B, so we will put here B. So basically B on reactant side of Cl become equal to 2C of product side, D of product side of Cl and 2E of product side of Cl. Similarly, hydrogen, which is equal to B on reactant side, is equal to 2F of hydrogen on product side. Oxygen, which is equal to 4A on reactant side, is equal to F of product side of atom, product side of oxygen. Similarly, Mn of equal to A is equal to Mn of C of product side. Similarly, K of reactant side is equal to D of product side. So likewise this we will make one equation. After that we will solve or we will form algebraic equation and solve our chemical equation. Let's just start. our formation of algebraic equation. After that, what we will do, we will just see which letter coefficient is common along with every element. So along with K, A is present, along with Mn, A is present, and along with O also A is present. Along with H, B is present, along with Cl, B is present. So 2 times B is present and 3 times A is present. So whenever this kind of situation is there, so in that case, what we do, we just take that letter coefficient which comes in maximum time and make them equal to 1. Means let's suppose A equal to 1. So after doing so, when we do so, we let's suppose A equal to 1, immediately the value of A become 1 because A equal to C, so the value of C also become 1, and A equal to D also, so the value of D also become 1. So by doing so, we'll get the value of A, C, D. Now here O equal to 4A equal to F. So from here we will take out the value of F. So value of A is 1. We will put here and multiply by 4. So it become 4. So from doing so, we will get value of F is 4. So now we are having value of A, value of C, value of D, and value of value of F. Now let's just take out value of B. Here B is equals to 2F. We are knowing the value of F. So the value of F get multiplied by 2. So the value of B become 2 into 4 equal to 8. After that, we will take out the value of E. So in order to find out the value of E, we put all the values of all letter coefficient in equation 5. And after solving this, we will get the value of E, that is 5 upon 2. Now in place of all coefficient in chemical reaction, we put their value. Here the value of A is 1, so we will put in place of A 1. Here the value of B is 8, so we will put the value of B along in the place of B. Similarly, we will do so in place of, we put 1 in place of C, in place of D we put 1, and in place of E we put 5 upon 2, and in place of F we put 4. By doing so, our reaction become like this: KMnO4 plus 8HCl plus Mn. After the reaction, it will form MnCl2 plus KCl plus 5 upon 2 Cl2 plus 4H2O. See, in this reaction, you will observe one coefficient is present in a fraction form. In order to remove this fraction form of coefficient, what we do, we just multiply by 2 the whole reaction. Means on reactant side and on product side. After multiplying, we will get our balanced chemical reaction. So our balanced chemical reaction becomes 2KMnO4 plus 16HCl plus 2MlCl2 plus 2KCl, 5Cl2 plus 8H2O. So let's just check whether this reaction is balanced or not. 2 atom of K is present on reactant side. Similarly, 2 atom of K is present on product side. 2 atom of manganese is present on reactant side. 2 atom of manganese is present on product side. Here 4 atom of oxygen is present. This 4 is get multiplied by 2. So the total number of oxygen atom become 8. And here also total number of oxygen become 8. So potassium is get balanced, magnesium is get balanced, and oxygen is get balanced. Now let's just see hydrogen and chlorine. On reactant side, 16 hydrogen is present and 16 chlorine is present. Similarly, on product side also, 16 chlorine as well as 16 hydrogen is present. So the above all reaction is completely balanced. Now we will discuss limitation of chemical reaction in our next lecture.